Okay, so last time we have seen how to show that the statement patterns are logically equivalent, and in the last example we have seen that whatever the problem given, it was wrong. So what here the corresponding entries in the that last column of the statement patterns are not same, so they therefore that is not a logically equivalent, right? Now, so with the help of the truth table, we have to identify the statement pattern is tautology or contradiction or contingency. So depending on the last column, if your last entries in the column are all T, then that statement pattern will be a tautology. So if all entries in the last column are F, then it is a contradiction. So if some T are there, if both T and F are there, then that statement pattern is a contingency. That means it is neither tautology nor a contradiction. So now we'll see. So we'll see this is a statement pattern. We'll check whether this statement pattern is a tautology, contradiction or contingency. So with the help of the truth table, we can identify this. So there are two letters, that is there are four rows. So this is what P, Q, T, first two T, two F, T, F, T, F, T, F. Now we'll solve brackets now. So P and Q, P and Q. Just we write this is what negation P, negation Q, then negation P or negation Q. So this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we write this as what? So 3 and 6. This will be your column 7 now. Now P and Q. Just now we complete this one. T and T is T. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and F. Right? Then negation P and negation Q. Just you have to write first to F, then to T. Here alternate FT, FT. Alternate FT. Then you have to take T junction of this one. Right? So T junction. This is what F or F is F. F or T is T. T or F is T. T or T is T. Now conjunction of 3 and 6 now. Your 3 and 6. T and F is F. F and T is F. F and T is F. F and T is F. So what here? Just we write all the entries in the last column of truth table all the entries in the last column is F are F. Therefore given statement pattern is contradiction, right? In this way you have to conclude this. This is very important now here, right? Now if here all the entries are F, then what you have to say, all the entries in the last column of the truth table are T. Therefore the given statement pattern is the tautology. Now what here, suppose here T is here, F is there, here T is suppose here, right? So now here all the entries are not F, all the entries not, right? So that means what? All the entries in the last column of the truth table are neither T nor F. So therefore your entries, since the entries in the last column of the truth table contains both T and F, therefore the given statement pattern is contingency or neither tautology nor contradiction. So in this way you can check this. So here which part is the important? The truth table. You should know how to draw, how to construct the truth table. So we'll take one more example. So P and P implies negation Q. The square bracket complete and P. So we have to check whether this is a tautology, contradiction or contingency. So again there are two letters. So that here what? P, 2T, 2F. Then 1T, 1F, 1T, 1F. Now first we'll complete this bracket. So in this we'll complete this one. So you have to, we need the negation Q. Then what? P implies negation Q. So we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then P and P implies negation Q. This is your fifth column, right? And so just we have the space. So we'll write each and everything now. P and P implies negation Q. E implies negation P. Your column number 6. It is better to write the column number 6. So now negation Q. So this is negation Q is what? FT, FT, FT. Now P implies negation Q. P implies negation Q. T implies F is F. T implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies T is T. Right? Now P and this one. P and this one. That means P is this here. T and F is F. T and T is T. F and T is F. F and T is F. Right? Okay. Now here what? This implies P now. This implies P now. Right? Now you cannot revert this one. Right? Because P implies Q is not same as Q implies P. So go reverse now here. Right? So this implies this now. F implies. So F implies T is T. T implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies F is T. This is your F. This is your F. F implies this. F implies this. T implies T. F implies T. Right? So this is T. Right? All the entries are T. So therefore we conclude the answer. All the entries in the last column of the truth table are T. Therefore given statement pattern is a tautology. We take the next example. So this is P R Q or R if and only if P R Q or R. P R Q or R. Okay, there are 3 letters now. Right? So that means how many rows are there? 8 rows are there. Okay, so P, Q, R. So 4T first. 4T. 4F. 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 No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2T. 2F. 2T. 2F. Now alternate TF. 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 Okay, now we'll complete this bracket, then we'll complete it, then we'll do this, right? So we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So first we'll complete this bracket. So this is what? P R Q, right? So this is your 4. Then P R Q R R. This is your 5th. Now Q R R is Q R R. You have to find Q R R. Now then P R Q R R. This is 6. This is 7. Now your first is this. Your first bracket is this. Now this is your second bracket, right? This. And and you have to take the amplification. That means what? 5 if and only 7. That will your 8. Right? Now we will complete this one now. PRQ. So TRT is T. TRT is T. TRF is T. TRF is T. FRT is T. This is T. FRF is F. FRF is F. Now we will connect with R now this. Right? So this is what with R now this. Right? Now you may say that P or R or this one or this doesn't matter. This is it is commutative. So TRT is T. FRT is T. TRT is T. FRT is T. TRT is T. FRT is T. TRF is T. FRF is F. This is F. Okay. Now QRR. QRR. TRT is T. TRF is T. FRT is T. FRF is F. TRT is T. TRF is T. FRT is T. And FRF is F. Okay. Now we have to take the junction with P now. So this P is here. Right? So TRT is T. Then TRT is T. Then TRT is T. Then TRF is T. Then FRT is T. FRT is T. FRT is T. And FRF is F. F. Now 5 if and only 7 now. 5 if and only, this is your 5. So T if and only T is T. 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 T implies T. And F if and only P is also T. So now here all the entries in the last column are T. All the entries in the last column of the truth table are T. Therefore, the given proposition or given the statement pattern. Statement pattern is nothing but the proposition, right? So that is the given proposition or given statement pattern is a tautology, right? So we can solve number of problems, right? So if you have the practice then and then only you can draw the correct truth table. You can construct the correct truth table. So without practice you cannot construct a correct truth table. So you should practice on it. Now we'll take one more problem from exercise actually. So we'll take this problem. P implies Q and P implies negation Q now. So again do this. What? P Q. Now so this is what? 2T 2F. T F T F. Okay. Now we'll solve one bracket now first, right? P implies Q. Then you need the negation Q of P. Then P implies negation Q, right? And finally you need P implies Q and P implies negation Q. We have space, we can write each and every entry with the help of the given statement pattern. Then P implies Q. P implies Q. So T implies T is T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies F is T. Now negation Q. Alternate FT now. Alternate FT. P implies negation Q. This is your P. This is your negation Q. So T implies F is F. F T implies T is T. F implies F is T. F implies T is T. Now P implies Q. That means this, right? This and this. So T and this T and F is F. F and T is F. T and T is T. and T and T is T. Right? That means what here? All entries in the last column, you are all the entries in the last column. The entries in the last column of the truth table contains both T and F. Therefore, given statement pattern is contingency. That means neither tautology nor a contradiction. So I hope that you can do any type of the problem to show that it is logically equivalent, or to show that it is tautology, or to show that it is a contradiction, right? Contingency. So only here what the important thing is, what the preparation of the truth table is very important, right? So to prepare, this is what, concentrate on the first row that we are writing, that is what. So here what the statement depend on the statement pattern. So first solve the bracket, right? So solve one by one thing, right? So I think you can do all those things. So I hope that you understand this one. So do some exercise. So do the practice. So without practice, you cannot do this. You cannot do anything. So you should practice it. Okay.